How to create shortcuts of Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide. In this guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can create Snapchat shortcuts. But before we get started with the video, if you're new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to create a shortcut in Snapchat, it's relatively very simple. First of all, I will show you two ways. The first way is to simply go ahead and add it through widget. So long press on an empty space on home screen and select the option called widget. As you select widget over here, you simply want to go ahead and search for Snapchat. So as you can see, the Snapchat shortcuts, and just select and tap on it and then just add them to your home screen. And as you can see, that's it. That's basically the first way to add a Snapchat shortcut. So if this is not the option for you, then the option is also you can actually change it. So let me just go ahead and fix this as well. You can remove this shortcut right over here and you can go ahead and open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, go to a chat and open up the chat whom you'd like to actually pin. Once you select this, you can just see over here and just long press on that particular chat over here. Then select the option, as you can see, more and so on. And you'll find the section which is pin shortcut to home screen. So just go ahead and select pin shortcut to home screen. You also have other options such as long pressing on it and selecting chat settings, and you can see over here pin shortcut to home screen. Just select that and tap on the add button. Once you've done so, that shortcut will be added to your home screen, as you can see over here. And this is how you can create Snapchat shortcuts. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.